Hey everybody, Susan here. My potatoes vines have started dying, so it's time to start digging the potatoes. I went ahead and looked, and yeah, I got some nice little ones there, so me and my help. Look up here. Look up here. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
We're going to dig taters today, and then we'll show you what we got.
Oh, I forgot my rake.
And we'll get it. That's a seed tater. There it is. So once we get the green out.
Oh, there's an itsy bitsy tater for you, Tess. There's one right here. Can you get it? Let's go.
One right there.
Wow, bitsy one.
They're supposed to be little. These are those little red murlocs. Look, right here.
What?
Okay.
I got an itsy bitsy one.
Here.
Tessy onesie, there's yours. This is mine. Look, Tess, you see that potato? See that potato? It's right here.
Boy, that one really put out.
Whoa! You didn't know it was, did you?
Get him.
We found a big one for you.
Oops, that one fell out.
I found a little one for me. We got the
Okay.
we
Let's
found
find
one over
some.
here. One right here. Oh, dude, Tess. You want to see?
Yeah, quite a few.
Thank you. We got these like massive beans, Mom. Oh, we don't see itsy bitsy beans down here.
Yeah.
Itsy bitsy.
That's what we're looking for, the little bitty red taters.
Yeah, we found a big one. Okay.
We'll dig them here in a minute.
You found one for me.
Yep.
We got 4 of them, Mom. Digging over potato stuff.
Yeah, get all the potatoes.
We found some potatoes, right?
Yeah.
What are you doing that side? Oh, we found a busy one.
Okay.
I dropped yours.
Let me get over here.
Because they're way down there, ain't they?
Yeah.
We get them. Wow, look at that big potato. Ooh. Here's your potato, Tess. Let me get yours. Wow! Big potato!
Big tato.
Yeah, but
Oops, there's a little one
where is it?
on the vine.
See that bitsy one right there? Oh, there's a little one, Tess. Look, I found a vine. It's tiny one. No, there's a itsy bitsy tiny one you can pick up. Oh, bitsy one for baby. You got the little baby one in it.
Yep.
There they are.
You ready?
Oh,
There's more.
I don't see none.
Right there on the dirt.
Huh. Then I found one. Oh, I found one deep down there. What? Me found one too.
Well, we like finding these taters now.
There's some more.
Yeah, dig them out of here.
Me want that one. That's my favorite one.
Yeah. Okay.
There's one right here. We found
Oh,
one.
more.
Whoa, we got these.
Yeah.
We got this one doesn't have none.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, we're gonna have to go that one, ain't we?
Okay. Now comes the fun part. I get to dig the dirt.
The good one. If you touch his face, he wiggles. Wow! Likes me. I can't get out of my hand. Yeah, like me, Mom. That one likes me.
That worm likes you?
Look, he makes a number.
Well, we like these worms too.
Look at him. He's wiggling bigger.
Yeah.
Wow, Bill. Look at this one. Get ya.
Ooh, nice one, Tess.
Ooh, look at I found another one.
Yeah.
I got big ones. Well, we got the big one, and yeah, right then your name. And there's right then your name. I'll go look for a little more worms too now. Look who they are. You think Daddy?
Well, here's a handful of worms kids been playing with.
That's your middle.
There's quite a few more in there.
More little.
I think we got more worms than we did taters.
We get them some.
Alright, so this is the potatoes that come out of the bathtub. Don't know how much that is because I ain't weighed them. But it was pretty decent. for no longer than they've been in there. Now, we're gonna dig this bed up.
It's potatoes?
Yep. Well, the kids and I pulled up the vines on the taters. Then the siren went off, so we had to run in. Now they're in the house with my daughter. And I'm gonna finish the taters because it don't look so bad right now. I'll show you what we get when we're done. Okay, so that's all the taters. I'm willing to guess it's about 5 pounds, but I'll be weighing them to find out. Okay, there's our taters. Just one little hair less than 6 pounds. So I was wrong thinking, hold on. Whoop. I was wrong thinking I had 5 pounds. But these are perfect. These is just what I was wanting. Perfect. Perfect. Thanks for watching.